Hey guys, welcome to the Craft Pouch. Today we are going to make budget-friendly boho style inspired wall decor. So without any delay, let's get straight into the video. For the first DIY, you need to take two cardboard circles of any size. I'm taking 10-inch diameter sized circles. Paste these two circles on top of each other to get thickness. I'm using glue gun. Take a jute cord and paste it on the cardboard starting from edges like this. I got this jute cord from Walmart for about $4. Now let's make some tassels. To create a tassel, take a cardboard of size 2.5 inch square. Take a piece of yarn, place it on the cardboard horizontally. Rotate the yarn vertically on top of it for about 16 times. Tie the horizontal yarn piece like this. Cut one side and tie the head using another piece of yarn. Trim the edges if needed. Similarly, I have made 44 tassels with two different multicolored yarn bundles. Now, using glue gun, attach all the tassels to the edge of the circle. Once everything is glued, rotate the circle and secure these tassels again using glue gun. Now, brush these tassels using a small comb or a hairpin. Last step is to glue a small cord on the back to hang this decor onto the wall. I love the way it turned out. It's so cute and beautiful. For the second decor, you need a small mirror. I got this square mirror from dollar store. Take a cardboard of the same size as a mirror and paste the mirror on top of it. Take a few popsicle sticks. Cut 4 of them into halves and the other half into 1/3 like this. I'm coloring these pieces with gold metallic color. I went for 2 coatings for the bright look. Once all the sticks are dried, glue them to the mirror like this. I am covering the sides of the cardboard and mirror by gluing the jute cord. I am decorating it using these pearl stickers that I got from dollar store like this. Finally, attach the rope on back of the cardboard to hang this onto the wall. This decor is so simple and easy to make. For today's last decor, you need to take 2 cardboard strips of size 15 inch by 1 inch and another 2 of size 10 inch by 1 inch. Cover the edges using a masking tape and decoupage it with a tissue like this. I have colored them with white and again coloring with brown color. Take two cardboards of the size 15 inches by 12 inches. On one cardboard on the size of 15 inches, using a pencil, draw a line exactly at 6 inches. Now draw few lines like this touching the middle line. Basically, it should look like an arrow. Now cut these and color them into white color. Once dried, make a pattern and color them using different colors. Do not mix these up, later it will be a difficult task to arrange them. I am using metallic blue, metallic silver, metallic gold and white colors. I have applied 3 coats of each color. Now glue all these onto the second cardboard. Apply a thick layer of Mod Podge to seal this. Glue the sides that we already made at the beginning on the edges and trim if there are any extras. Glue any cord around the frame to cover the cardboard edges. I'm decorating this by adding some blue pearl stickers that I already have. I think I got this from dollar store, which are pretty. Last step is to glue a piece of rope to hang this onto the wall. The random gaps in between feel like an old wood and it really doesn't look like it is made out of cardboard piece. This is so beautiful. Definitely try this out. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to click the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a video is uploaded. See you in next video. Bye bye.